There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Challenger RT Plus in pitch black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, RT classic side stripes, rear body color one-piece spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, power sunroof, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, hectic mesh interior bezels, split folding rear seats, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6088.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.